Welcome back, guys. A little bit of a disappointment today. Nothing to do with the project on Kylie's car, but looks dusty. My cord, I noticed, was leaking gas. So I drive a 01 Accord with 225,000 miles on it as a beater. Turns out the gas tank's rotted out and it's leaking from the seam. Crap. So now I got to get a gas tank to put in that. So I had to go get the old Dodge out. I had a video, 7-8 months ago when I got this truck. Bought it for the motor because I'm going to do a Hemi swap on it, on a car at some time and take the Hemi out of this. But now I got to drive it again. Good old truck. Parked it, haven't touched it all winter long. And it's been, negatives and cold. It's sat all winter, 3 months or whatever. Come out to it, battery's not even dead, tires aren't flat, hit the key, it fires right up. Not bad for a rusty 06 Dodge with 268,000 on it. She's a good old truck. It's gonna be sad when I tear that truck apart for the motor. But we got some stuff painted last night. Figured I'd show you where we're at here. Oh yeah. Got some nice painted up doors. Mirrors are painted. Hatch is painted. Handles are painted. Just got the wing and the hood that we're gonna be working on tonight. Fingers crossed. Just about to be done with the body work. Time to get back to work. Just realized I didn't take a video other than look at the last clip that was like beginning of the week, so like a couple days ago. Sorry about that. Get busy and just forget to take videos. I'm a big dummy. Either way, I'll show you where we're at now. So his hood I had already sanded and done the repair work on. There's some body filler here. There's a dent back here. Tent somehow right on top of the hump to clear the timing cover. So that's all good and primed. The wing itself didn't need all stripped down, just repaired the edges some. Oddly enough, the wing was red underneath here, so it was, original sealer black, then red, then black again. So at some point in time, this wing was painted red and then painted back to black. I don't quite know what they were going for with the car to paint the wing red, or if it was a different wing off a whole other car that got painted put on a red car that ended up on his. I don't know. You'll see some funny things when you're stripping cars down that are 20 years old. You'll see just layers and layers and layers of color, different colors, and you're like, oh, if people only knew the parts on their car, how many other cars they might have been on. But I'm gonna get this stuff sanded out here now. Home stretch. Wings sanded out, ready to go. Hood's all blocked out, ready to go as well. Friday night, let's get this stuff painted. And Kylie's car is 100% sprayed. As long as I don't screw up this paint job. Let's get her done. All right, sorry about the echo. It's gonna be loud, kind of echoey in here because we're in the booth, but got Kylie's stuff finished off here. The last bit of what needed to be painted is now painted. Spoiler's all painted. And the hood is all painted. Look at that nice reflection. Fresh black, looks so nice. So that's all the paint work done now. That's fantastic. Thrilled. But if you took time to watch this, thank you. Like, sub, share, whatever you want to do. Catch you next time.